Greetings there, fellow repairers of Land Rovers, and I'm sure very many other things as well. Well, I'm back to this. This is the last repair I'm going to do before I actually get on holiday, which I didn't really want to do and didn't plan to do, and the weather is also causing me pain because it's been raining, and of course it waits till you the very last minute when you need to do a quick repair for the weather to turn. But there you go. So I have got a new one of these, a Land Rover one, because the one that's on here, the Meyle one, is giving some movement, which is hard for me to show whilst holding the camera. But anyway, it's moving. I tested it a few minutes ago. So this has got some lateral movement in it. Not good. This was done not that long ago. So I'm hoping, because it was done not that long ago, I'm going to be able to drive it out, replace it pretty quickly. And then what we'll do is we'll dissect that and see what's going on. So that's what it's been on there. It's been on there a few months. It's gone wiggly like the other one, and there is backwards and forwards movement. If you can hear that, that's not good enough. So we're going to get this thing off and start again. We are out again. Okay, not too bad. So that was a bit easier. I did take the rubber bit off. So that's out. We're going to go back and put the other one in. Right, quick note just to say, this time I've gone this way in because you can get this one to stay level, and I've got a sleeve that fits over the metal part only of the bush, or the ball joint, whatever you want to call it. This has started to go in. In fact, I'm not really filming it very well, am I? I might just move the camera and show you me pushing it in. Right, once you're happy, put it all back together. Okay, so we're all replaced. Took a bit quick. It was a lot quicker than last time. And what I'm going to just do is torque this up, which I guess you guys know how to do. Attach the link bar at the bottom, torque that up, and then we're done. And then I'm going to dissect the old one and see what we can find. So job done. Bit easier second time, and I think I improved on my technique. So I am pleased. Right, after chopping this in half with my lovely whatever you call it, cutting disc, and we're going to have a quick look inside. So this is the one that's got where I had backwards and forwards movement. So kind of slightly killed it now by taking it to this. So let's have a look at what's going on in here. What we got. So it's actually already looking a bit rusty inside. So I don't know whether it's just failed. Take this bit off as well. So this is all the dust shields off. There's a stupid bit up here as well. So what's gone wrong with this fella? So let's compare that to what we got in a Land Rover one, shall we? I'll clean this. I'm going to clean the Meyle one out. Okay, so we're a bit cleaner now. What we got? So this itself doesn't look bad. Okay, so we've got the two plastic inserts out. This is the failed one, the bottom from the Meyle, and I can just feel there's a big groove in there, and that's the Land Rover one. So actually, when you compare them, they're pretty much similar. So I do wonder whether when I installed it the first time I was a bit rough with it, and whether I did just push the ball. When I installed it, I actually pushed on this face, and whether I pushed the ball in and damaged this prematurely. I can't guarantee that, and I don't know, but that would be the most logical thing, because otherwise why would it fail? Or it's just there's a problem with that and it's just a bad one. So you do get bad parts, so it could just be a bad part, or it could be the way I poorly installed it. This time when I installed the new Land Rover one, I did a different technique. So I guess maybe be careful how you install such things, and when you press them in, don't press them in using the actual ball joint part, but press them in using the shell, which is probably 100% what you should do. And I'm just being a muppet when I did it last time because I got frustrated.